Happy early birthday, Pastor Matt. We were going to decorate your office, but one, we couldn't really get there. Two, we couldn't get in. And three, yeah, you're not even back.
There.
Yeah, you're like on vacation or something. Well, anyways, we decorated the room with the balloons and the streamers, which I don't think you can see right now.
But they're up here.
Yeah. And so, happy early birthday, and
Hi.
I love you. And that means Caleb loves you too.
Yeah.
Say I love you, Caleb.
I love you
Yes.
deeply.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Right
a lot.
down in the bottom of the heart.
Definitely. So.
Where no one can see. No, I'm joking.
We made you some cookies. If you're there on Sunday, we'll bring them to you. If not,
Not then.
we'll eat them.
We'll eat them along with Caleb, Josh, and Rachel.
Yeah.
Not me. I don't want them.
What? They're delicious.
But they're very good. They're
So-
amazingly good. So
yeah.
have
Happy
some.
early birthday. Definitely. Yeah, we love you. We're glad you were born. Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. Goodbye.
Caleb. Why did you?